Welcome to my Do. In this video, we'll take you step by step through on how to use the to-do list feature. Step 1. Add a card to the slide where your task belongs. This slide is for tasks that you need to do. This slide is for tasks that are in progress. The last slide is for tasks that are done. Step 2. Add details to your card. Start with your task summary. Next, provide the task description. Afterward, specify the task's start date. And its due date. Next, create a checklist by adding the necessary steps or activities required for task completion. This checklist assists you to organize your task and ensuring that nothing important is missed. Following this, establish the task's priority, select from urgent, medium, low, or none if no priority is applicable. Then click Create to save. Step 3. Update the task by moving the card. If the task was in your to-do and you have started working on it, move the card to In Progress. When it's in progress, update your checklist after completing each activity. Next, click Update to save the task changes. Move the task to Done after you have completed it. Thank you. Now maximize your task productivity by tracking your task management with the to-do list.